welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. Y'all mad I'm a day late? Y'all mad at me? Anyway, I hope this makes up for it. So I was reminiscing about my time in Rochester when I was in grad school or whatever. And the Red Fern, like they still have them, like these really big vegan sugar cookies. Now theirs has sprinkles in it, but like I ain't feel like doing that. But I was thinking about them. I'm like, oh, you know what would be good? Like a big old sugar cookie with some tea. So I made that. So if you want to see how I made vegan sugar cookies, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. And as always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, y'all know I said I was in my baking era, like when I made those, what's it called? Those strawberry Popeyes biscuits. Like this is such a straightforward recipe, like literally you could do it, baby. If you're not a baker, you could do it, okay? Because I used to not be a baker. I'm not even gonna claim that I'm a baker, but like I'm gonna manifest me being a baker, okay? So I have 1 stick of butter. I'm using the Earth Balance butter. Now, typically I would use a Trader Joe's butter because it's cheaper. It's like $2.99 where I'm at. Like Earth Balance kind of set me back. But like I wanted to do this instead of what I originally planned to do for my videos. So, you know, anything for the crew. So I creamed, whipped. Sorry, that song been in my head all day. Shout out to Beyonce. Okay, I whipped the butter and 1 cup of sugar together until it became a pale white. Okay, so now I've been really liking this egg replacer. It's a little steep. I think it was like $6 when I got it, but it lasted me so I've made so many things because it's like 34 eggs in it, right? So I love it. I think if you don't want to use like a Just Egg, because Just Egg is $6. I don't know what they got going on, but it's a little high right now. Like I think this is a great replacement. If you want to use flaxseed, if you want to use aquafaba, if it don't work out, I don't know, babe. Okay, don't blame me. Okay, I feel like Just Egg, that weird nasty egg from Trader Joe's, or the one that I showed you in the video is have y'all tried that? It's real bad. That's where I will go. Okay, actually scratch the Trader Joe's one, don't use that. Okay, now is this chaotic right here? It is. Should I have mixed the dries and the wet separate? Yeah. Did I tell you to do that in the recipe? Yeah. Did I do it right here? No, because I kind of like chaos, you know, like it adds to the plot. But that's like 1.25 cups of flour, some baking powder, cornstarch to keep them from flattening like a pancake, and a little bit of salt. Yeah, that's it. So I didn't over whisk it, right? Because I didn't want like hockey pucks, like just enough to get my dough combined. I chilled it in the fridge for an hour. Honestly, I feel like 30 minutes would be enough, but I had a meeting. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm making these balls. They're huge. I got 4 big cookies. You can make them smaller. You could do whatever you want, baby girl. Now, I wanted mine to be like big. You'll see how big they came out. Like so you saw the thumbnail. But if I didn't push them down so much, they would have been like, if I left it like right there, it would have been like a little bit more compact. But yeah, easy. Why did I make this clip so long? Oh, because I want to show you that I was pressing it out and I made it into a little circle. And I ended up having to split them up because I anticipated that they would spread out a lot, which it did. I'm preheating the oven at 375 and here they are after 15 minutes. They look good, right? Don't it? Look at that. Look. Yeah, I'm in my baking era. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Come on, baby. Don't play with it. These came out so good. They're so easy. It's a little hot to be baking, ain't it? But if you have like a sweet tooth like me, I feel like the older I'm getting, that sweet tooth is going away. But like I was in a mood for a little cookie and a little tea. So let me know if you try it. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Well, you know, with eating this, you use almond extract. Yeah, I've been meaning to do a crumble dupe because like, I don't understand why crumble is don't have no vegan cookies. So when I do that, y'all gonna see. But anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to never miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos because you know lots of other videos. Thank you again, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.